Welcome to the intriguing world where virtual perceptions meet reality. Instagram is a phenomenal platform, offering a window to unseen corners of the globe. Like many of you, I've discovered stunning travel destinations thanks to Instagram. However, the glossy, filtered images can sometimes set us up for unexpected surprises. Today, we'll explore how Instagram shapes our travel expectations and the real experiences beyond the screen. When a place gains fame on Instagram, its very nature can transform. Consider the charming streets of Paris, overrun by tourists due to viral photos, or Santorini, where the reality of crowded streets clashes with the serene images online. Here's a deeper look at how the quest for perfection affects both travelers and locals. Coldwell Street, Paris, once a quiet residential area, now a hotspot for content creators and tourists, disrupting daily life for residents. Santorini, Greece, the picturesque empty streets and photos versus the actual crowded reality, leading to traveler discontent. Capri, Italy, famous for its tranquil beauty and photos, yet the island bustles with tourists nearly every day, diminishing the serene experience. Iceland's geographical marvels, promoted through stunning, solitary photos, yet the actual locations are teeming with tourists and nearby commercialism. What happens when the dreamy destination images clash with reality? We explore several popular spots, often misrepresented through the lens of social media. Our travel goals are increasingly being defined by the potential of viral photos. This segment delves into the consequences of prioritizing photographs over experiences. Rainbow Mountain, Peru, advertised with vibrant colors, yet many visitors are let down by the more subdued reality. Infinity Pool, Berchtesgaden, a stunning view worth a hike, but is the motive to enjoy the journey or just to capture a trending photo? Despite its pitfalls, Instagram can be a powerful tool for discovering and planning travel. It's about balancing the inspiration with a healthy dose of reality. Instagram can lead to unexpected adventures if we look beyond the popular tags and explore related content. Using Instagram to discover local spots and cultural experiences that aren't typically highlighted in mainstream images. How can we use Instagram to enhance rather than dictate our travel experiences? This section offers strategies for travelers to engage more deeply with their destinations, approaching travel as an opportunity to learn and connect rather than just gather likes, allowing room for unplanned adventures that no filter can replicate. In conclusion, while Instagram has reshaped our travel landscapes, it's essential to step beyond the lens's allure. By focusing on the experiences, engaging with local communities, and setting realistic expectations, we can rediscover the true joy of travel. Thank you for joining this exploration of Instagram's impact on travel. If you found this insight valuable, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Ready to travel smarter? Follow along as we uncover the truths behind popular travel myths.